Mango, do we have something to tell them? Do we have to tell our friends something? All right, we're back. We're going on our third week now, and my hands are so much better, all healed up. One tiny new injury the other day, but all good so far. Week 3. But today, I've been wondering, here you go with, sorry. Whoa, girl. Okay, let me get back to what I want to tell them, okay? All right, let me get back to what I want to tell our friends. Quit. Don't be mean. Let me get back to what I want to tell our friends. Please don't bite me. No bite. No, no. Thank you. Hey, no bite. No bite. Okay. We have something to tell you guys today. All right. Ah. Stop that. No. So, I'm not going to let you be in the video if you're going to act like that. No. Here we go. We're trying to tell our friends something and you just want to bite me. And I told them that you've been being good. What do you want? Here. You want your chew toy? Here we go. Oh, I'm going to be able to tell y'all now. All right, so here's the thing. I didn't get much information when I got Mango from its previous owner. It was pretty much, here you go. She never been in a cage, and she eats about everything. Or he, because they thought he was a he, but she's a she. I've already told y'all that. But, so, anyway, so she never been in a cage before. You know, I was having issues like, well, what happens at nighttime? Like when she wants to go to sleep, where does she sleep at? I didn't ask that question. I didn't realize, come on, ow! Oh, I didn't realize how smart these guys are. These aren't just like little birds. I don't know what I was thinking I was getting myself into, but these are almost, almost like children. All right. And I should have got a 100 report on her. And things, I mean, I should have been taking notes. I should have had like a good notebook on everything from sleeping to how she acts during the day. He told me she was good with children and she don't bite. Well, we all know she bites. So it must have been me doing something wrong. You know, obviously it was me doing something wrong, okay? Because I did this the wrong way. I didn't research and find out what I was supposed to be doing. I didn't do that. So I just got the bird and didn't know anything about her. Well, 3 weeks today, we've been having this sleeping problem where she's been like sleeping on my pillow. And I wake up through the night. She wakes up through the night because I'm waking up, checking on her. You know, I don't want to roll over on her. Ouch. I don't want her. I just don't want to bump her really. You know, I'm trying to, it's like when you got a newborn in the bed with you, you know. So I've just been not able to sleep at night because I'm waking up to check on her. And she's got a little box beside my bed. It's got a little flap and it's got bedding in it. I put her in it when I put her to sleep at night, you know, right before dark. But she gets out. She gets out, and then she gets out on my pillow, and that's what she does. Last night, she got out of bed, uh, flew down to the floor. She can fly, but she flew down to the floor and walked through my kitchen to the living room where I was sitting on the couch and flew up onto the couch onto me. So I'm like, why aren't you in bed? Why aren't you supposed to be asleep? But she was messed up about her sleeping. I bought her one of those tents on Amazon. I'll put a picture. But I bought her one of those tents, and she didn't like it. She didn't like it. She was so afraid of it, she ran back to her box that I made her. So that was like, wow. Okay, so we stuck with the box. Forget the tent. All right, so today is the third week I've got with her, and I decided to text the guy I got her from, and I just said, where does Mango sleep at night? And he said, in a cage. I thought she'd never been in a cage, but that's only to sleep that she goes in a cage. So for 3 weeks, this poor baby hasn't felt safe to go to sleep because she's not in a secure location where she knows she's safe. And I haven't been able to get much sleep because I worry about her too. Oh, she's hitting it. That means she doesn't want it no more. Why? Well, because you want my finger, you don't want this. You want my finger and not this. I don't know what's going to get her to stop chewing on my fingers, but she wants to be chewing on them fingers. So anyway, we're going to go get Mango a cage right now. And we're going to take you with us. So are you ready? Girl, are you ready to go get a cage? All right. Okay, so we are back, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this assembled because it's getting late, and I think that she's ready to go to bed before dark. She gets a little fussy, and yeah, I just think that she likes to know where she's gonna be and get in her spot like before dark. So this thing is taped up so excessively, like someone returned it, and I really hope not, because I'm gonna be upset that I bought something that could have been returned or used. I was under the assumption I was buying something brand new, but I guess I'll be able to tell once I get more into the box. But yeah, this is too easy. I think that, man. All right, let's see. Okay. Have to put this thing together. I'm one of those people who don't read the directions. I just try to figure it out sometimes. But this thing probably don't even have no directions in it. Alright, that's it. Alright, so let's see. This thing is pretty small. She definitely will be just sleeping in it. She may not like that. Okay. What? Why don't I want to open? I don't want to bend anything. I guess I have to. Flimsy. 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 Okay. And then it's got these little snaps, so I guess I just snap it into the snaps. I hope she is okay sleeping in this. Okay. Everything's snapped in, I guess. I think I'm going to be hanging it, so I want it to be very secure. And these are plastic perches and a little swing and some water dishes. Swing hook. Alright. Now I did get her a tent, so I will attempt to put the tent back in here again, and maybe she'll end up liking it since it's in here instead of just sitting out in the room. She didn't like that. Alright, I think those are even. Oh, I want that styrofoam out of there. I'm probably going to need to go and give this a wash down first also. So, this goes like, oh, this was really easy. They just snap onto these little latches, these little hooks. And voila! Mango's new home, her new bed, actually, not home. Mango's new bed. Because I don't think she's gonna like staying in there longer than sleeping. Maybe something to hang with, I don't know. Oh, for this. The little swing. Oh, they don't want to snap in there for me because my wrist is hurt. There it is. Okay. Yeah, I really doubt she's going to use this swing at all, but it's there if she wants it. And I'm going to go clean this up. Put some paper down on the bottom for her poop. And get her ready for bed. I'll be back. Night-night, Mango. Night-night in your new bed. Night-night in your new bed. Be a good girl.